Tobias. Let's check this out. I know, I remember seeing this one actually, because it came from Sweden. So welcome, Tobias from Sweden. Dear Lloyd, thanks for testing masks for the general population. Here are some new KF94 I bought recently from Beauty Box Korea and Tester Korea. The pink one is from Nepure, and Sweden still has not embraced masks, so help us. Sincerely, Tobias in Sweden. Nepure.
Nepure. Okay, that's
Nepure.
weird. That's a very strange name, but anyway.
Ooh, that's interesting.
Actually,
I have not seen them folded like that before.
That's an interesting pink too.
Yeah, do you like that? See, it's like more of a salmon, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks like
So these are cool because they have adjustable ear loops, which is awesome. 3, 2, 1. There we go, and we are going. It does appear to be from Korea because it is in Korean.
Okay.
It's got a panda on it, so we like that.
I don't know. I mean, Korea
I like the
pandas.
packaging. Made in Korea. I'm thinking this is a legit KF94.
Well, we should try it on then.
Okay.
See how.
Let me try it on. Let me try it on first.
How it. What does it smell like? Does it smell like salmon?
No, it doesn't smell like salmon, even though the color is salmon. It smells like Office Depot. Here, go ahead. You try it on.
It's probably gonna smell like you. Yep.
What? It smells like me?
Yeah.
Sorry. I took a shower today.
Is that how it adjusts?
Yeah, so the way that it works is it's got this cool little thing that you can pull.
If you can even see it.
And you can make the ear loop smaller.
Odd.
So it can even fit maybe someone like yours. So it's really cool, this design. I've seen this on some. And it's got a nice nose wire. It fits pretty well. I didn't think it would fit super well because they were folding it, but it actually works really nice.
Wow.
It's good, and it's a pleasant smell. I like the smell of
good.
Home Depot, you know?
Oh, it's done.
Not Home Depot, Office Depot.
It's done.
I know it's done. Whoa, let's not read it yet. Let's not look at it. Did you look at it already?
No,
Wow. 99.914.
That actually might be better than the American.
That might be better than the American. You're right. This is a good mask, Tobias.
Wow, maybe.
And look at this. 94.2 pascals. 94.2. Super breathable. Super efficient.
And super good.
This is probably the best mask we've tested today.